Hey guys, welcome to my latest unboxing video. The moment of truth and the wait is finally over. I just received the iPhone XS Max 512GB gold version, and this is the box from SF Express. I ordered this about 12 days ago and it just arrived today. So, without further ado, I'm going to get started with unboxing it. So, let's open the box. Okay, so we'll have to take the sellotape off. So I'm going to use one of my keys to open this. All right, this is a live unboxing video. This is not an edit in any shape or form. So I'm not so good with this kind of stuff. So I'll just try and get the tape off. So let's get this off. Whoa, all right. Let's see. I'm actually using two cameras at the moment. I am using one iPad and I'm using one Sony camera. Ah, there you go. Okay, now that is the iPhone, right? You can see the iPhone in the box. Let's get it out. So if we could, wow, this is quite a contraption. Let's put the keys back. This is quite a contraption. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Wow, they've wrapped this pretty well. All right, let's put that aside. Let's put that there. Okay, so this is the iPhone XS Max Gold box, and as you can see, it's 512GB. Okay, 512GB right there. Okay, let's put that down, and let's get into the box. Let's open this thing. So, let's take the wrapping off. All right, let's put the plastic aside and let's get into the box. Mind you, if you want to put the iPhone X box side by side, that's what they look like. Okay, you can clearly tell the difference between the size. So let's put that aside. Let's get into this box. All right, so let's open it. Excuse me. Okay, there we go. Right, so what have we got? We have the usual stuff. We have the little guide, this pin to take out the SIM card, holder more like. I'm going to put this down. And this is the phone. Let's take a look at the actual phone. All right, let's take that out. Oh gosh, look at that. All right, that is the gold iPhone XS Max. The gold iPhone XS Max. Beautiful. Now, I'll just put that down for a sec. So we've got a... We're still using the old charger. I thought by now we'd be using the 30-watt charger, but oh well. We have the earphones, which I don't really use. I don't really use the Apple earphones, but anyway, we'll put that aside. All right, got the lightning cable. Really, nowadays we should be using USB Type-C, but in any case. All right, and we also have, yep, I've talked about this already. Okay, let's put that box aside. Let's get into the phone itself. Now, let's take a look. So that is the iPhone. All right, you can see iPhone and so forth. Let's have a look. All right, let's take off the wrapping. All right, let's look at the edge. Look at the edge of that. That is beautiful. Wow. That is absolutely stunning. Look at the gold. That is just beautiful. Really beautiful. Let's turn it on. Okay, just wait for that. Okay, we're just waiting for this to load. I'll just move that there, okay. Let's put this one aside. All right, this is loading. I'm going to see if we can get ourselves a SIM card or something to put in there. So you'll have to bear with me for a moment. Okay, I'm going to get that sorted in just a moment. All right. Oh, and mind you, if you wanted to see how the phones stack up against each other, just if we put one iPhone 10 on the left-hand side and we have the iPhone XS Max on the right-hand side. So if you take a look at these two, that's what they look like. See? That is what they look like. All right. Now, I'm going to put the SIM card inside the iPhone. So we're going to take this one and we're going to... Sorry, I can't pick this up for my life. So let's do this. Let's take out the slot, the tray. Apparently this takes a dual SIM. They've got Apple's got this special double SIM feature. Now let's put that in. All right, we slot it in. Now let's turn this thing on. All right, here we go. So we're going to English. All right, Hong Kong, China. Yep, that's fine. All right, gotta wait for that. I do have a message on my iPad saying, would you like to set up your iPhone? I'm going to cancel that. All right, it says quick start. Let's have a look. What does it say? We're going to set this up manually. Yep, I mean, the usual stuff. You just go through all the wizards and so forth. Now, I've got all these Wi-Fi networks. So I can just pick, let's say, we'll pick 5G Jake. Sorry, let me just punch in my password. Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to punch this in. All right, let's join the Wi-Fi network. So we're joining the network, and I just can't get over the color. It just looks incredible. Wow. Yeah, it just feels slightly bigger than what I had before. Excuse me. Okay. Right, now let's wait for that. It's going to activate, as far as I know. No, it should be activating. Ah, there we go. Okay, data and privacy, the usual stuff. Yep, Face ID. I'll set that up later. All right, passcode, the usual stuff. So we're going to punch in the passcode. I'm going to do the Face ID a little later. Right, now for this part, I'm actually going to deactivate my other phone, and I'm going to migrate all the data into this phone, but I have to back up my old phone. Speaking of which, this is the iPhone 10. Okay, this is my old iPhone 10. And if I put it side by side with the iPhone XS Max, this is what we get. So you can see the size difference. Okay, you can totally see the size difference. Yep. Wow. So this is a space gray and this is a gold. All right, space gray and gold, as you can see. All right, I'm going to put this down and put this down. Now guys, I'm going to have to end the video there. So that is the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max 512GB gold model. So there we go guys, that is pretty much it. So I'm going to be setting up this phone. This is as far as I get in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all soon. And goodbye. Thank you.